Al palco A di questa prima giornata dell'Hippie Music Day saluto Giovanni, che lo vedo camminare in mezzo a noi, perché ogni tanto ti vedo, ti incontro, però sei sempre in giro in mezzo a tutti. Facciamo un applauso a Giovanni Solinas e a Valentina Meloni, che anche lei non so dove sia, ma è in mezzo a noi. Mi sono fatto nella pausa, questa sembra una frase che se non la finisco poi rimane un po' così, come dire, mi sono fatto nella pausa, no, mi sono fatto un giro nella pausa e sono andato fino a vedere dove c'è il palco B. C'è veramente un sacco di gente che espone, che gira, quindi vi invito anche a farvi due passi e arrivare fin dall'altra parte, perché ci sono cose interessanti anche su quel palco, poi ve le ricorderò. Però questo segmento pomeridiano lo apriamo ricordando e ringraziando anche Maurizio Casu e RCM Records, che in diretta trasmette sul suo canale YouTube e sul suo canale Twitch la diretta di tutto l'evento. Quindi grazie a loro, che sono dentro il loro studio mobile e con una regia meravigliosa. Io vi consiglio anche di collegarvi RCM Records se volete curiosare, perché la vivrete in due modi questa giornata, anche quello, come dire, un po' più virtuale, ma è fatto per chi ci vede, ci segue e non è qui al Parco di Santa Maria di Sibiola. Partiamo in questa seconda parte, in questa fase pomeridiana, da un duo, si chiamano Two of Us, e la cosa bella è che questo duo arriva da Padova. Lo sai dov'è l'Islanda? È molto lontana l'Islanda, è vicino a Padova. C'è un bambino su YouTube, non so se l'avete visto, che ogni volta mi fa molto ridere quando dice questa cosa. Da Padova e da Bolzano. So anche che hanno la clac che appunto li segue, ma la cosa bella, chiamandoli anche a venire sul palco e a raggiungermi, e quindi l'applauso che li accoglie sul palco dell'Hippie Music Day, che sono amici da quando hanno 14 anni, in realtà da quando Walter ha cominciato a suonare e poi ha traghettato probabilmente anche il contrario. Ah no, Antonio ha cominciato a suonare e ha traghettato anche Walter. Però Antonio, se non sbaglio, tu sei quello che per qualche mese ogni anno viene a Bugerru e si gode la Sardegna da un po' di tempo? No, quello è Walter. Vabbè, allora ragazzi, c'è comunque una condivisione tra voi due che dura da un sacco di tempo. Anche della casa di Bugerru condividete le esperienze? Ah, ok, lui è la prima volta, fantastico, va bene. Allora, Walter Insam e Antonio Bertamini ci regaleranno un set dedicato a Bob Dylan, quindi al grande Bob Dylan, da quelle che erano le sue prime canzoni, quindi i primi passi della sua carriera fino al periodo della maturità. Ve li lascio godere, così si apre la sezione pomeridiana dell'Hippie Music Day. Musica!
Sorrow, I see trouble on my day. I say goodbye to Colorado, where I was born and partly raised. You'll never see no more. One promise, darling, I see you on God's golden shore. money I never would have count.
Cosa tocca adesso?
Mr. Tambourine Man, capotasto al quarto. Allora, il prossimo pezzo di Dylan si chiama Mr. Tambourine Man.
No, il secondo.
Sì, ma io lo faccio sul quarto.
Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not slippy, and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I come following you. Like an old as if this empire had returned into sand. Vanished from my hand, left me blindly here to stand, but still not slipping. My world is amazing me, I'm running on my feet. I have no one to meet, and the ancient empty streets do that for dreaming. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not slipping, and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I come following you. Take me on a trip upon your magic swirling ship. My sins is happy strip. My hands can't fail to grip. My toes too numb to step. Wait only for my booties to be wandering. I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready for to fade into my own parade. It was a dance of away. I promise to go wandering. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not slipping, and there is no place I'm going. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I come following you. Like you might care, life is spinning, spinning madly across the sun. It's not aimed at anyone, it's just escaping on the run. And but for the sky, there are no fences facing. And if you have a traces of skipping razor rhyme to your tambourine in time, it's just a ragged clown behind. I wouldn't pay it any mind. It's just a shadow you see that is chasing. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy, and there is no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I come following you.
Sì, cazzo mi non si può. Allora così.
Johnny in the mood, ti parto io col toro.
Johnny's in the basement making another medicine. I'm on his home and reading about the government. The man in a trench coat, badge out, layoff shafts. He got the back coat, once again he paid off. Look, I kid, something he did. God knows when, but you're doing it again. You better duck down the alleyway looking for a new friend. I mean, it was get cat in the big pan walls. $11 bill, one they got chance. Ah, Maggie's complete foods, face with a black shirt, talking at the head foot, blacks in the bed pot. The phone tapped anyway. Maggie said the man say the must be the element older from DA. Look out, kid, no matter what you did, walk on her cheap toes, on try no those bad, stay away from dogs. Keep a clean nose, watch the play close. You don't need a weatherman to know it's with the wind blow. I get sick, get well, hang around the inkwell, ring bell, hard to tell you anything. You got yourself, try hard, get back, right way, get change, jump in, Johnny, I'm if you fail, look out, kid, you're gonna get hit, but loser, cheater, 6-time user, hanging around the cheaters, go by the work, pull, go by the work, we're looking for a new food, down for the leader, and watch your fucking meter. I get one, keep on short pants, room and learn to dance. Get dressed, get blessed, try to be a social. Please help, please seen by, get down still. Don't let put the evil schooling and they put you on the shell. Look out, kid, the kid in your head. And the jump down the main hole like it's in a candle. No one's saying to try to be the scandal. Don't wanna be a bum, you better sugar. Don't work for the bandits took your handle.
Sì, cambia anche scaletta se vuoi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allora, Dumping Twice. Va bene. Dov'è in libreria?
Don't think twice, it's alright.
It's all right. Yeah. Come on, baby. Allora.
Well, ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, if you don't know by now. And ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, it'll never do somehow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm traveling on, but don't think twice, it's all right. No use in calling out my name, girl, like you never done before. And ain't no use in calling out my name, girl, I can't hear you anymore. I'm a thinking and a wandering, walking down the road. I once loved a woman, a child I'm told. I gave her my heart, but I wanted my soul. Don't think twice, it's alright. So long, honey baby, where I'm bound, I can tell. But goodbye's too good a word, babe, so I'll just say far too well. I am seeing you're treating kind. You could have done better, but I don't mind. You're just the kind of waste my precious time. Think twice, it's alright.
Allora, going nowhere. Com'è che si... com'è che incomincia? No, no, non il titolo. You con la Y.
Il prossimo pezzo si chiama You Ain't Going Nowhere.
E si fa in sol.
Clouds are swift, rain won't lift, gates won't close, railing froze. Get your money out winter time, you ain't going nowhere. Ooh-wee, ride me high, tomorrow is the day, my bride's gonna come. Ooh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? I don't care how many letters they send. The morning came, the morning went. Pick up your money and pick up your chance. You ain't going nowhere. Ooh-wee, ride me high. Tomorrow is the day my bride's gonna come. Ooh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Buy me a flute and a gun that shoots, tailgates and substitutes. Strap yourself to the tree we threw. You ain't going nowhere. Ooh-wee, ride me high. Tomorrow is the day my bride's gonna come. Ooh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Gengis Khan, he could not keep all his kingdom supplied to slip. We climb that hill no matter how stiff, when we get up to it. Ooh-wee, ride me high, tomorrow is the day my bride's gonna come. Oh, we gonna fly down in the easy chair.
Allora, questo pezzo di Dylan è un pezzo famosissimo, All Along the Watchtower, fatto anche da Jimi Hendrix.
There must be some way out of here, say the Joker to the chief. There's too much confusion, I can't get no relief. Businessmen, they drink my wine, blow me and dig my earth. None of them along the line know what any of it is worth. No reason to get excited, the time he kindly spoke. There are many here among us who who feel that life is but a joke. But you and I, we've been through that, and it's not our fate. So let us not talk faceless now. The hour is getting late. All along the watchtower, princes kept a view, while all the women came and went, barefoot servitude. Outside in the cold distance, a white cacti grew. Two riders were approaching. The wind began to hold.
Aspetta.
Il prossimo pezzo si chiama It's Alright Ma. Va tutto bene mamma, I'm only bleeding.
Sì.
Darkness at the break of noon, shadows even the silver spoon. The hammer blade on child's balloon eclipses but the sun and moon. You understand, you know too soon, there is no sense in trying. Pointed trees they bluff with scorn. Suicide remarks are torn from the fool's gold motive is the hollow horn. Please raise his words, prove the wrong, that he not busy being but is busy dying. Temptation, please fly out to do your fall or find yourself at war. Which waterfalls of pity roll you feel to moan, but unlike before, you discover that you've just be one person crying. So don't fear if you hear a foreign sound to your ear. It's alright, Ma, I'm only sighing. As some won victory, some downfall, private reason, great or small, can be seen in the eyes of those that call to make all that should be kept to crow, while others say don't hate nothing at all except hatred. Disillusioners were like bullet spark, as human gods aim for the mark, made everything from toy guns to spark the flesh color Christ to glow in the dark. It's easy to see without looking too far, and it's not much, it's really sacred. White preachers preach of every faith, teachers teach that now will read. Can let you $100 please. God knows hide behind its gate, but even the president of a state sometimes I have to stand naked. And talk the rules of the road. Have been large, it's only people's game that you got to dodge. It's alright, Advertising sign that con you into thinking you are the one that can do what is never done, that can win what's never be won. Meantime, life outside goes on all around you. You lose yourself, you reappear, you suddenly find you got nothing to fear. Alone you stand with nobody near, when a tremble distant voice unclear. Startle your sleeping ears to hear that somebody thinks they really found you. A question in your nervous lid, yet you know there is no answer fit to satisfy. Sure you're not to quit, to keep in your wine, and God forget that this is not your she or them or it lead that you belong to. I'll talk to masters, make the rule for the wise man and the fool. I got nothing more to live up to.
Ok. Il prossimo pezzo si chiama Blowing in the Wind, un pezzo che penso conoscono tutti.
Beh sì, ci vuole. Come lo faccio? Sì.
Metà della prima frase.
How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? Yes, and how many seas must a widow sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, and how many times must the cannonballs fly before there is four of a band? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many years can a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? Yes, and how many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? Yes, and how many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many times must a man look up before he can see the sky? Yes, and how many years must one man have before he can hear people cry? Yes, and how many days will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind.
E adesso cosa mi presenti?
Adesso viene un pezzo che Bob Dylan ha fatto nel 71 quando ha anche partecipato al film Billy the Kid e ha fatto una serie di pezzi meravigliosi, tra cui questo Billy the Kid.
Dad's gone across the river like to pound you. There's a low man on your trail like to surround you. Bounty hunters dancing all around you. Billy, they don't like you to be so free. Living out all night on the veranda. Walking in the streets down the hacienda. Up to the hill, they like to sing ya. Billy, don't you turn your back on me. Playing around with some sweet senorita. Into her dark chamber, she will greet you. In the shadow of the mesa, she will lead you. Billy, and you're going all alone. Oh, they say that Put Garrett got your number. So sleep with one open when you slumber. Have a little sound, just might be thunder. Thunder from the barrel of his gun.
Kid. Questo è un pezzo che è apparso nel disco Skyline, dopo l'incidente di Dylan, un disco che ha fatto anche Nashville Skyline.
È la mia.
Ok? Si chiama Lay Lady Lay.
Addirittura, lei, Lady Lay. Mazza, aspetta. Sì.
Quando vuoi, dimmi 2, 3, aspetta, sarebbe così. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sì, fai la minore.
Va bene.
3, 4.
Lady Lay, lay across my big breast bed. Lady Lay, lay across my big breast bed. Whatever color you have in your mind, I show them to you and you'll see them shine. Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big breast bed. Stay, lady, stay. Stay with your man a while. Until the break of day. Let me see you make him smile. His clothes are dirty, but his hands are clean. And you're the best thing that he's ever seen. Stay, lady, stay. Stay with your man a while. Why wait any longer for the word to begin? You can have your cake and eat it too. Why wait any longer for the one to love when it's standing in front of you? Lay, lay, lay across my big breast bed. Stay, lady, stay. Stay while the night is still ahead. I long to see you in the morning light. I long to reach for you in the night. Stay, lady, stay. Stay while the night is still ahead.
prossimo pezzo si chiama... Andavi bene così a questa velocità, via. Sì. Thompson Blues.
The sweet pretty things are in bed now, of course. The city fathers, they are trying to endorse the reincarnation of Poor River Hood. Better town has no need to be nervous. The gospel bastard, she hands down her whisk to Jezebel the nun, she violently knits. But wait for Jack the Ripper, who sits at the head of the Chamber of Commerce. Mama's in the factory, she got no shoes. Daddy's in the alley, he's looking for food. I'm in the kitchen with a Thompson Blue. The hysterical bride and the panic kid, screaming she moans, I just been made. Then sends out for the doctor who puts down the shade and said my advice is not to let the boys in. Now the medicine man comes and he shuffles inside. He walks with a swagger and he says to the bride, stop all these whipping, swallow your pride. You will not die, it's the poison. Mama's in the factory, she ain't got no shoes. Daddy's in the alley, he's looking for food. I'm in the kitchen with a Thompson Blue. Well, John the Baptist, after torturing a chief, looks up now this hero, the commander-in-chief, saying, tell me, great hero, but please make it brief. Is there a hole for me to get sicking? The commander-in-chief answer him while chasing a fly, saying that all those who will whimper and cry, and dropping a bubble, he points to the sky, saying the sun's not yellow, it's chicken. Mama's in the factory, she ain't got no shoe. Daddy's in the alley, he's looking for food. I'm in the trouble with a Thompson Blue. The king of the Philistine, he sold us to sea. But Joe Bones on the tombstones and flowers they grave. But the Pied Piper in prison and patterns the slave, then sends them out to the jungle. Gypsy David with a blowtorch, he burns out the camp with his faithful slave Peter behind him a tramp with a fantastic collection of stamps to win friends and influence his uncle. Mama's in the factory, she ain't got no shoe. Daddy's in the alley, he's looking for food. I'm in the trouble with the Thompson Blue.
I tempi stanno cambiando.
Come gather round, people, wherever you roam, and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accepted that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to is worth a saving,
then you better start swimming or you sink like a stone. For the time they are a-changing. Come writers and critics who prophesied with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the change won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel is still in spin, and there's no telling who that it's naming. But the listen now will be letter to him, for the time they are a-changing. Come Senator, Congressman, please heed the call. Don't stand in the doorway, don't block up the hall. For he that gets hurt will be he who has told. There's a battle outside and it's raging. It'll soon shake your window and rattle your walls. For the time they are changing. Come mothers and fathers who got the land, and don't criticize what you can't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command. Your old role is rapidly aging. Please get out of the new one if you can't let your hand. For the times they are a-changing. The line is drawn, the curse is cast. The slow one now will be later be fast, as the present now will later be past. The odor is rapidly fading, and the first one now will be later be last. For the times they are a-changing. Col sorriso
Avanti.
Well, if you're traveling in the North Country Fair, where the wind is heavy on the borderline, remember me to the one who's there. She once was a true love of mine. Well, if you go when the snowflakes drop, when the river freezes and summer ends, please see if she's wearing cold or so warm to keep her from the howling wind.
Please sit for me if her hair is too long. Lift it out and flow up to the breast. Please sit for me if her hair is too long. remember her the best.
I'm wondering if she remembers me at all. Many times I often pray in the darkness of my night, in the brightness of my day. So if you're traveling in the North Country Fair, where the wind is heavy on the borderline, remember me to one who lives there. She once was
A true love.
love.
Oh,
True love of mine.
true love of mine.
True love of mine.
True love of mine.
She once was
True love of mine. Ok, vi lasciamo con un pezzo dal disco Billy the Kid, dal film Pat Garrett and Billy the Kid, ed è uno dei pezzi più commoventi del film.
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Mama, take these guns away from me. I can't shoot them anymore. There's a long black cloud following me. Oh, it feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Oh, feeling like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door.
Grazie, Two of Us, grazie.
Two of Us, Walter Insam e Antonio Bertamini, grazie, grazie davvero, ci avete fatto fare un viaggio meraviglioso nel Dylan più verace e quindi ce la siamo goduta tutta quanta. Grazie, devo dire che se l'amicizia può pensare di durare una vita, loro sono l'esempio che così è, appunto, visto che da 14 anni ad oggi, insomma, continuano a suonare insieme e probabilmente anche a far vacanza a questo punto. Un po' di vacanza ci sta, a godersela insieme alle loro mogli, amiche e compagne. Grazie, grazie davvero di essere passati di qui all'Hippie Music Day. Fatelo un applauso più forte ai Two of Us. Allora, segmento pomeridiano, sempre in diretta su RCM Records. Se volete date un occhio alla pagina YouTube e anche a quella Twitch, anche perché lì potete godervi anche i primi piani, c'è una regia molto attenta che fa primi piani interessanti, quindi vi consiglio anche dal telefonino magari di buttare l'occhio. In questo primo giorno di 2 giornate intense per quanto riguarda sì la musica, ma anche tutto quello che vuole essere il significato di questo festival, perché se siamo qui, se tutto questo è stato creato è perché certo la cultura hippie degli anni 60 e 70 ha influito parecchio su tutto ciò che è poi uno stile di vita, evidentemente, anche perché ho visto e vedo un sacco di gente accampata, nel senso sdraiata, seduta, a contatto con la terra, proprio con quello spirito di vivere anche un po' l'energia del luogo in cui ci troviamo, però anche per prendere in esame quelli che sono valori importanti come l'inclusività, come la condivisione, la rievocazione, la parte ludica, perché ci sono anche aspetti ludici all'interno di questo parco utilizzabili anche da molti bambini sparsi. Io vi consiglio sempre di farvi un giro e andare un po' a curiosare, e quelli anche, se vogliamo, del ricordo, perché probabilmente questa musica, ma anche vacanze fatte chissà in quale altra parte del mondo, poi vissuto in questo contesto, ti riporta a ma ti ricordi nel 1900? Sì, nel XX secolo, sì, siamo tutti parte di quella grande storia, anche musicalmente parlando, che poi ci regala la possibilità di ascoltare queste canzoni e di scomodare band o artisti che hanno comunque scritto la storia. Così sarà anche per il prossimo gruppo che si sta accomodando sul palco, e tra poco lasceremo loro fare il pezzo del check, grazie ai ragazzi di LP Service che lavorano incessantemente ormai da giorni per far sì che tutto questo festival e tutto questo susseguirsi di band una dopo l'altra possa trovare il miglior modo per esprimersi, perché sappiate che quando poi si viene a suonare bisogna essere comodi, è un po' come quando si è a casa, bisogna essere comodi sul divano a guardare la TV, bisogna sentirsi nell'ambiente giusto, e questo fanno appunto i ragazzi di LP Service. Io direi un po' di musica, Stefano, in diffusione, e poi vi presento la prossima band. A tra poco!